If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to install hidden fonts in macOS Big Sur. Your Mac has hidden fonts that are disabled by default. If your Mac is running macOS Big Sur, Catalina, or later, you can access all these hidden fonts and install them for free. Here is how to do it. On Spotlight, type Fontbook. Open the app. Next, head over to the All Fonts section in Fontbook, and scroll down to view all the available fonts. The fonts that are grayed out in this list are the hidden fonts that Apple recently added to macOS. Clicking on the fonts will give you a preview of what it looks like. To install these fonts, right-click on the font and choose the download option as shown. When you're prompted to confirm, click Download. Once the download completes, the font won't be grayed out anymore and you'll be able to use it in your favorite apps. It's that simple. Hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.